In this video, I will show you how to make your hand to talk. I will be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial, so make sure you download Flipaclip from Play Store so that you can follow along with the tutorial. And also, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new tutorial, you'll be notified about our new video. Now, let's continue making the video. Now, I'll click on this plus icon to start a project. So, I'm going to name my project. I'll name it Making Hand to Talk. Click on Done. Then, I will import my background. So, I've already designed a background. So, I will click on this image icon to add a background to this project. So this is my background. I'll click on it to add it to the project. I'll mark it good. Okay. So the next thing is I will go to canvas size. Then my video is for YouTube, so I will select YouTube 1080p. Select that first one, 1080p. Okay, that is for YouTube video. Then I click on create projects. So we are on interface of Flipaclip. So the next thing is for you to go over to this place now, that layer panel. Go to layer panel, click on it. Then I'm going to organize my layer. So I'll first of all add the hand. That is the main character here, the hand. Then I'll click on this plus icon. Click on that plus icon to add the second layer, which is the mouth that is going to do the talking. So I'll just name this one mouth. Then click on done. Then go back to your hand. Then let's add the hand character. So click on that three dots over there. Then click on add image. So as you can see, I've already designed the hand character for the animation, so there won't be any need for us to draw any character. There is an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before using it for animation. I have a tutorial video on how I create my cartoon character on my Telegram channel. So I recommend you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel in order to gain access to that very video. So let's continue with the tutorial. So I'm going to rotate my hand in the position I like by clicking on this line at the bottom of the character to rotate the image you added. So I'm okay with it like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that lasso tool. I'm going to scale the hand to make it bigger. You see the way I'm making it bigger. So when I'm done with the whole thing, I'll click on that plus icon. I'll click and hold it. So I'm going to select clone last frame. So when you do clone last frame, that will make the frame to repeat itself. So I've already added 2 frames. So I'll click and hold it again, then go back to add new frame. I'm going to add my second hand character. So I'll click on that image, then I'll add my second character. If you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class, where I will teach you how to animate and make animation move to your characters with your smartphone. So it's available on my Telegram channel. Make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and gain access to my animation class. So moving on with the tutorial, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of use the lasso tool to scale the hand to make it bigger, just as we did to the first hand that we added. So now the hand is bigger now. So the next thing we are going to do is to, once everything is properly set, then I'll click on this icon over there to copy it. I will copy this frame. Then when I add a new frame, click on that plus icon to add a new frame. Then I will paste it there. You see the way I'm pasting. So I will be doing copy and pasting until I reach, let's say I will do like 12 frames. So until I reach 12 frames, I will be doing copy and paste of that hand you see that animation is very easy. What you need to do is to, once you have everything set up properly, you just be doing copy and paste until you achieve your result. So see the way we are now. So the next thing is for us to go to over to our layer panel. Then so from that layer panel, you now move over to the mouth layer. So I'll click on that mouth layer that we added. Then I can now import my all lips design for my character to talk. So I'm going to add an image. I've already designed my all lips mouth syncing, so I'm going to import it. So go to this tray icon and then I'll browse where so you see they are all lip sync. So this contains all the mouth movement of my characters. I've already designed this mouth movement. So I'll now copy this one. So when I copy it, see the trick here, I'll copy it, then I will paste it on the next frame, but I have to delete it here. So I will just delete it now. I've already copied it, so I will just delete it. Okay, then I will go to the next frame and then paste it there. It's very easy. So that is what I'm going to do here. I will copy it, then I will delete it, then I'll go to the next frame, then I will paste it there. Now when you paste it, another thing to observe is when you paste it, then you need to, if you see that it is not facing the right place, so I will click on this flip horizontal. So I can now flip it horizontally, so that when you rotate it, it will match with your character's hand. So now that is the normal position. So when I position it in the proper way, I will now go back to that all lip sync. I will copy the next mouse sync again, copy it, then I will delete it, then I will go to the next upper frame, then I will now paste it there. So when I paste, I will now flip it horizontal. Okay, then I will now position it to the place I want it to be. I hope you are following along with the tutorial. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also turn on notification bell so that you will get our notification whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So let's continue making the video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will fast forward some things, but if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me and I will teach you how to animate privately. So I recommend you join my animation class on Telegram, so from there you will get a well detailed tutorial. Okay, so I'll cut the video so that it won't be too long. So but when we are done with the entire process, you will have something like this. So I'm going to make this video to be increase the duration of the animation. So I'll click on that three dots over there, then go to frame viewers. Then from here, select all your animations, all your frames. So when you select everything, copy the all the frames. Then when you copy it, then you can now paste it after. So that will make the animation to repeat. It kind of adding cycle to your animation. So I will keep on adding the pasting to add more cycles, making the animation to repeat itself over and over again. So when we are done with all these things, then we are going to go back and then click on that three dots again. So from there you will now be able to export your videos. You see, so I'll click on make movie. Okay, so you see that my Flipaclip is a pro version, so they're not showing watermark. So this app is available for my students. Anyone that join my animation class will get this app for his phone animation. Okay, so I'm going to click on make movie in order to export the video. So the video is exporting now. As you can see, the video is exporting. So when you are done exporting, you can now play the video and see what you have. You can also share it on your social media platform. So let's play the video. You see that our hand is now talking properly. So if you want me to teach you in details how to create cartoon animation videos, I recommend you join my Telegram channel. Check the description of this video, you will see my Telegram channel link there. So click the link and join my Telegram channel, and also contact me for my animation class. Okay, so that you will gain a deeper teaching from me on how to animate Rico character. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like this video, comment and share this video, because I'm dropping a new tutorial every week. Okay, I will see you on the next week with a new video. Bye.